If you are using a plasma or CRT monitor, setting a screensaver prevents burn-in and can save your screen. Set or change your screensaver by clicking the Start button. Type Change Screensaver and then select it from the results. Expand the drop-down menu and select one of the preloaded screensavers from the list. Select Settings to modify any options for your selected screensaver. Make any adjustments and then select Save. The screensaver turns on after your computer has been idle for a set amount of time. Adjust the idle time if desired. If you would like to add some basic security to your computer, select the checkbox to have the logon screen display after the screensaver is disabled. You can preview the screensaver to see how it will look when enabled by selecting the Preview button. Select OK to save your screensaver settings.